Welcome to the San Diego County Office of Education CSET English Subtest 1 preparation course. Please watch this video for information regarding how to best navigate this course and prepare for this particular subtest. In order to best navigate this course, the suggestion is to start by reviewing the content domains, which are the standards that will be on this test. Do this by clicking on the Content Domain / Standards tab and just skim through them so you have an idea of what you will need to know for this subtest. Next, take at least one practice test by clicking the Practice Tests tab to gauge which domains you have mastered and those in which you need review. In order to review, you can go to the Resources and/or Glossary tab on this website in order to get information on the domains you need to study. Finally, do something with the material. Make flashcards, write notes, anything that will actually help you retain the information. The CSET English Subtest 1 has a feature that is very helpful, and that is the time tutorial. The tutorial is about 10 minutes long and will not take up any of the allotted testing time. Use this tutorial and that time in order to learn how to use features like highlight, strike through, and flag for review, and even the navigation or home screen buttons. These will help you as you test. This is a 90-minute test, and there will be a time remaining clock in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Use it to pace yourself and not spend too much time on any questions. If there is a challenging question, one suggestion is to answer the question as best as you can, then flag it for review and come back to it at the end of the test if you have time. This subtest is comprised of 50 multiple-choice questions that are in response to reading literature and informational texts, as well as questions about composition, which includes writing skills such as revision, and rhetoric. Rhetoric is the study of writing and speaking and often focuses on the art of persuasion. Answer these questions by clicking on the corresponding circle next to the correct answer for each question. Other resources you will be provided with include a whiteboard marker and whiteboard, and also headphones or earplugs. Both are optional but may help you as you are taking the test. The CSET English Subtest 1 is a multiple choice exam, and your test results should be available right after you finish the test. These are unofficial scores, and your official CSET test results will be sent to the CTC and any other institutions that you indicated, and they will also be sent to your own personal email if you requested that option when you registered. Please remember that if you do need to retake this CSET or any other CSET, you can register online. Good luck.